Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Bonnie and this is Happy Space Creates. Snip, snip. You may have noticed I have some new intro music. My lovely boyfriend made that song for me. He's just started his own YouTube channel as well, and I made him his little intro for his channel, and he lovingly rewarded me with my own little song for mine, which is so cute. I really appreciate it. Now, you may have noticed Bella is here to say hello. She's feeling very sleepy and under the weather today, so she's feeling very cuddly. Today I'm going to be filming with you my February makes. I haven't really got an awful lot to show you this month, but before we get started I would just like to say a huge thank you, hello and welcome to all my new subscribers. It was amazing to just see that number going up throughout the week, and I just can't wait to get to know you all. I've had lovely comments on my videos, and it's just, you're all saying such nice things, and I'm really grateful for you all. I'm a person who's been following the sewing community ever since I started sewing, so actually to have my own YouTube channel now and to feel like I'm part of that is so nice, and you're all so welcoming, so thank you so much. In today's video I am wearing the Simplicity K8454. I just wanted to share with you what pattern I'm wearing today. This actually isn't one of my February makes. I've made this a long time ago, but I wear this top all the time. Sunflowers are my favourite flower, so I get a lot of wear out of it. But I just wanted to share with you what this pattern was. I've made this a fair few times. In fact, almost each view I've made now. I haven't made that one, but I've made those ones. So I'll try and to remember to wear some of my other versions of this top in some of my other videos. But I wanted to share that with you in case you all asked. Now let's get started into my first make of February. I mentioned in my January makes video that I loved sewing the Tilly and the Buttons Rosa shirt. So I actually made another one. This time I made it in a needle cord fabric, so it's like a caramel baby cord. I will insert some pictures of me wearing this. I haven't actually taken any decent photos yet, but on my list of things to do. Now what I did with this pattern is, this is a size 4, but what I did was I actually extended the shirt to make it more of a shacket type of thing, and I also widened the pattern at the bust. So the Tilly and the Buttons Rosa shirt has a princess seam and it sort of comes in, and it's quite a fitted shirt. But what I did is I just traced the pattern pieces and just went straight down from the bust to give it more of a looser fit around my waist. I wanted it to feel more coat-like, and I got that effect. It's very lovely. I didn't put any buttons down the front because realistically I'm not going to be doing it up. And I didn't really have any buttons that I like, so I might add some buttons at a later date, but at the moment it is buttonless. This pattern is a really easy one to sew up, although I did struggle this time round. I don't know why. I put the collar on backwards twice. I don't know what went wrong. I just wasn't concentrating or something. You know when you get a bit confident in a pattern because you've done it a few times and then you don't really pay attention to the little steps, and I just did it wrong. My own fault. We all do it. But I've lined it inside with this beautiful cotton lawn in this floral print, just because it was kind of like a corresponding colour. But it really gives like a 70s feel to the jacket, and I really love that. I wear this again all the time, same as my other Rosa shirt. I wear that a lot as well. But I really like it. I think it's definitely going to be my spring light jacket kind of wear. It goes with a lot of my clothes. I've got some boots that match that fabric perfectly with a little ruffle on them, so I see myself wearing this a lot. Again, I used cam snaps on the cuffs because I got the machine for Christmas and I'm loving using it. It's such an easy tool to use. I get a bit of buttonhole fear as well, so snaps is the perfect solution for that. So yeah, that was my first make of February. I have got a lot of wear out of this. It's quite warm, the fabric is really thick. I got the fabric from eBay. I was talking about eBay in my last video about how I love shopping on eBay for fabric. That was one of my eBay wins. I think I managed to get that fabric for about £4 a metre. So it was a real bargain actually, and I was really pleased with it. I wasn't too fussed about what colour I got the cord in. I just knew I wanted to make it from a cord fabric. So getting it for £4 a metre in that colour, I was really pleased with. So on to my second make of February. I actually haven't got this here to show you because it's already in the wash because I've worn it quite a few times already. That is my Deborah blouse. I will put a picture of it up here for you. I've worn this a few times. It's been some really nice weather in the south coast of England at the moment. It's just getting into that springtime and there's a bit of warmth in the air. And there's a beautiful little cafe near me actually that's all pink and floral, and they sell the most insane cakes. And I went down there, it's just reopened, went down there to get a cute little cake, and I wore my Deborah blouse, and it just made the most adorable picture, so I'll put it here for you. This is made out of a white broderie anglaise, is that how you say it? It's like a very sheer fabric, and it's got sort of like embroidered floral details on it where you can sort of see through it. Now that was one of the things I struggled with this pattern. This is a VikiSews pattern, as I spoke about in my last VikiSews video as well. So first things first, the pattern is in Russian. Second thing I struggled with was that the fabric is quite see-through. With all the different embroidery details, you can see through the fabric, which does make for a lovely summer wear, but I was quite self-conscious of the fact that you could see my underwear through it, which I wasn't very impressed with. So at the last minute, I decided to unstitch the neck facings and make a lining for the inside. So it did take me a bit longer to make it, and it was a bit of a hash job, to be honest, but again, you can't really see it from the inside. It is a bit bulky on that neckline now, and I did just have to trim it down a lot to get it to sit flat, a good bit of steaming and everything. So I'm interested to see how it washes up through the washing machine as well. I'll probably need to give it a good steam again. But I wasn't going to wear it if it was see-through, so it was what I needed to do to make sure that I got a lot of wear out of it. So the Deborah blouse has these gorgeous puffy sleeves, and it's actually called an origami sleeve. So there is 2 different pleats on the sleeve, rather than like a lot of like puffy sleeve patterns have some gathering stitches at the top to give the volume. This pattern actually has 2 different pleats. So it has a smaller pleat, and then it has a larger pleat that crosses over, so you get this lovely origami look. It's such a beautiful little detail, because overall the pattern is really simple, but just that little detail makes it stand out, and I think it makes it really different to what you would buy on the high street. So I really liked that. I'm definitely going to be making another one of these. I bought some beautiful like tan coloured gingham the other day, and it's beautiful. I need another top like that, but I'm actually going to crop it this time. I feel like it's much more summery if it's a little bit cropped. The Deborah blouse is longer on me. I do agree that they should make them longer because most people would like a longer top. I'm just going to cut about 2 inches off the bottom just so it's more of a straight finish rather than a flare. So yeah, that was my second make of February, and my last make of February is this cute little, again, a crop top. I'm obviously dreaming of summer, that's all I've done in February. This is my Cool Stitches Twisty Crop Top. I did make a sew along video on this, so I will drop the link below if you do fancy making this along with my video. I'll insert a picture of me wearing the twisty crop top just here as well. This is a quick sew. Like, it took me an hour, and I was filming as well, so it took me an hour and I was filming it. It's really beautiful. It's made of jersey, so if you're confident in sewing with jersey, you're going to get through this pattern really quickly. It has this, if I put it on my arm, you'll be able to see the detail. Like, it's sort of like a knot in the middle, so you wouldn't be able to wear a bra with this top, which makes it the perfect summer holiday top. I think I was still wistfully thinking that we were going to go on holiday this summer. Obviously we're not, but I definitely will be using this like sunbathing in the garden. I had this red jersey in my stash and I wanted to give the pattern a try. Now, if you haven't heard of Cool Stitches before, It's run by Nicole, I believe, and she's Portuguese, and she has some lovely patterns on her website. Really well known for the Elliot top. I see that on Instagram quite a lot. But this is her new pattern, the Twisty Crop top. That's how you say it. It's a bit of a tongue twister. And it's actually a free pattern, although when you go to purchase the pattern, it does have like a suggested donation. So I would say do consider donating to Nicole, because she does do some fantastic work at creating these free patterns. But yeah, I downloaded it, I made it one Sunday afternoon, and I filmed it for you. So do go and have a go at it yourself at home, ready for summer, well, hopefully a British summer that we're gonna have like last year. And that is all I made in February. Like I said, it wasn't a great deal. As I started my YouTube channel in February as well, I feel like I was putting a lot of time into that also. So it is going to be a nice juggle of sewing fun and filming and editing fun as well. Last month, the editing side of things was a real learning curve for me, and hopefully I have improved on that task throughout my last few videos. But yeah, so I didn't have a lot of time in February to sew. In March, we obviously have our Frugal Frocks challenge, which I'm already stuck into. So I'm going to be doing that all of March. And hopefully, if I'm lucky, I might throw a few extra things in there as well. But as I said in my last video, I'm not being too ambitious because we do have a lot of work going on in our house. Hopefully throughout the month of March, we're having our new flooring done. And then once I have all my new carpet and floor done, I thought I might do a sewing room tour for you. So let me know if that's something that you want to see. But thank you so much for watching today. If you've liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I will see you really soon. Thank you, bye! Thanks for watching.